Hey folks, how's it going? Adam with Outdoor Bushcraft. I just want to do a quick preview, kind of like talk to you guys about what's going on today. I got my son Andrew with me today. He'll be in some of the videos in a little bit. We're going to work on the A-frame shelter today. We're supposed to be working on the tripod shelter, and we're going to get some progress done today. Either way, we're going to have a good show for you, so stay tuned. So right now we got Andrew. He's cutting up some sticks. We're gonna brace up against the A-frame shelter. So we took down this tree right here. As you see, it's a very long tree. So this tree itself is going to provide a lot of good wood for us, right?
Yep. Thing right here, Dad?
You should get that other stick. Remember I told you the original stick we had over there?
Oh yeah.
So it'll tell you the length. One thing when you're measuring, you got to have the right length of stuff. You know, you got to measure. What you usually do is you start out and you cut to the length that you need. Like he's got in his hand right now. He's going to be bringing that over. That's the size of the sticks we're going to need cut to lean up against the A-frame. So now he's got an idea. And like I said, this is beginner mode to expert mode. We're all learning, and it's a lot of fun. I mean, getting out in the woods with your kids, friends, different people. You know, if you got woods or you got a family member that will let you go practice bushcraft skills. These kind of skills are things that you need to have if something happens. I mean, we don't know if something's going to happen to the point that we have to go off grid. We might have to go out, you know, away from people, especially if the world gets crazy and the way it's going, you never know what can happen. So this is just, it's kind of like for fun, but it's also prepping you for what could happen in the future. You know, I'm not trying to be a doomsday prepper type person or scare anybody, but we live in a very crazy world right now. And I would rather be prepared than be unprepared. So Andy's going to cut a few more of these sticks. We're going to make some progress and keep things going. Hey folks, Adam Outdoors Bushcraft. Hey, well, Jeremy's out here. The big guy. And we're working on a tripod. Tonight we're going to get the roof, the outline of the roof in. Like I said, this is not our full-time gig, so if you are doing it yourself, you'll realize that it takes a lot of time to do all the stuff. So this is a big project. If you want to scroll the camera, Andy, turn over to this. That's the A-frame shelter. We did buy a tarp. It's not as good as we thought. We're probably going to have to take the tarp off and redo it because that does not look that good. I apologize for that quality. We're definitely going to have to refix that up a little bit. But, if you want to scroll back. So right now, Jeremy's putting some boards in up here, and our game plan is to get all the boards for the roof done tonight. You can't really see, but over on that side we have one board all the way up already, so we're going to get that done and wrap up the day for you guys. Climb up here with me. Down further, or you good?
I think. You're in the first lap, go up and
Yeah.
look level?
Yeah. No,
Well,
Dad's
not
lifts his
his
end
one,
up.
of course, but I'm talking about here.
Yeah, it looks pretty level.
That's how it's done, folks. We're gonna get down over here.
Yep. Now this is all. Okay. I don't think it's still right. How's that look? Level with the floor?
Put his up a little bit more.
Okay.
Up.
Oh, you said up a little more.
That's good.
That's good?
We might not have to go over here tonight.
It's still going.
His nickname is the Hulk.
That's rough. All right, let's see what it looks like.
So,
Oh, nice. Yeah. Yep.
sorry if the camera angle is off a little bit. We're doing the best angle that we can for you guys. So, I got a new tripod today. We're working on some camera angles. We're going to get it worked out the best that we can. But I can see that it needs to come down just a hair. All right. But like I said, you know, this is a work in progress. The equipment, from where I started the channel with 12 people, and now it's up to 74 last time I checked, subscribers and stuff like that. So thank you for all the people that subscribed. If you haven't did that already, subscribe, like the videos, share on social media, what other programs that you're on when it comes to social media, Twitter, whatever. We're just trying to show what you can do. Like I said, this channel is based on beginner to expert mode. So right now we're at beginner mode, working on the expert mode, and that takes time, but we're doing all this for you guys. I hope you guys are liking what you're seeing. I'll get out of the camera and we'll focus on Jeremy a little bit. Okay. So Jeremy's adding some boards up there. We're going to run boards all the way up the side to the top. So right now we're just putting in the roof, getting the roof put in, and we're just putting the side boards on. When it's all complete, you guys are going to see a really nice shelter. Right, bud?
All right. Now we just need that one more. One more 11.
All right, started.
I know this one's probably a little heavier, right?
Let me get my fat butt up here.
Oh, there's a two. Yeah, it's got that. It'll be all right. After I put it up here, we can pivot it. Yeah, it's level.
So we've almost got the tripod shelter done. We just have to do the roof one. We're not going to do that today.
Really gets you going when you're.
Oh, you know what?
What?
This tree goes in, not much, but
Got another nail or you need one?
I've got one.
Getting close, folks.
Go up with it. That's where it's level with this one. Big nails are back in.
Almost got a bigger hammer, don't we?
Almost.
Just not enough weight.
Like one of those malls. I've got them too.
Is that what they use for those?
I don't know what they use for. All right.
Well, like I said, this is real man's work. You're not just going to come out here and throw something together. I mean, if you're making a quick emergency survival shelter, yeah, you can do it. But to really make it a permanent shelter, it's a lot of real work. People that do this definitely know. So, but it's fun. I mean, we got the framework up now. Feel pretty solid up here.
Oh god, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
So that's the tripod shelter. Wanted to get more work done on it today, but it didn't happen. But we do got the framework up, and when I get my free time, I'm gonna work on getting the walls up for you guys.
It's perfect height.
Yeah. Yep. He's 5'11". Andrew, you want to go up there, Andrew? That's. I mean, Andrew's 6'2". So.
Also, maybe demonstration on this bed.
Yeah.
I'm 230.
230.
He's 200.
200. So.
Put your feet up for that. We'll see any.
That's 400 some pounds up there, so it's solid.
430 pounds.
430 pounds, folks. So I don't think we're getting a 430 pound person up
Not
here.
to mention, here's the floor.
Yeah, the floor is stable. I mean, they're jumping up and down on it like a trampoline, so it's secure.
I ain't gonna lie, before we put that brace in, I wouldn't have done that.
No.
But
No,
still,
the brace helped. So now it's starting to look more complete. So thanks for coming out. I appreciate you.
Oh, no problem. I
So-
wish I had more free time.
Yeah, me too. A lot of people don't realize this isn't our full-time gig. So, but thanks for watching tonight, guys. I hope you enjoyed some of this videos. I tried to do the best I could on some of the camera angles. I got to work that out a little bit. Like I said, I'm working on the skills. I don't have a lot of experience with the camera, so, but we're doing the best we can, and that's all you can do in life.
You hand me that.
So, thanks for watching.